In the last 20 years, the 500 bathing waters that we've got in England and Wales have really improved due to the £8 billion clean sweep investment that's taken place, which has taken our water quality from about 75% compliance to nearly 100% compliance on our bathing waters. But more needs to be done to meet future challenges of population growth and climate change. Almost all of our 500 beaches currently meet the European water quality standards. Despite this, the legacy of designing drains that combine sewage and stormwater means some systems still allow dilute sewage to overflow into our rivers and the sea. Equally problematic for water quality can be the runoff from livestock, from manure and from farms after heavy rainfall. That's where our water quality testing comes in.
Water samples are taken by our colleagues in the agency from the bathing beaches in England and Wales. They are transported to us overnight and we analyse them the next day. We register the samples onto our computer systems and analyse them. The indicators that we look for are basically organisms associated with fecal matter. They're not necessarily pathogenic in themselves, but they indicate the presence of fecal pollution. The analytical process is fairly straightforward. Volumes of the sample are filtered through membrane filters which look like this. These are sterile filters which allow all the water to pass through them but trap the bacteria onto the surface. These are then taken and placed on a range of culture media which look like this, which is basically a solid jelly-like plate which contains various chemicals which will select out the organisms we're interested in. Once that's done, these plates are incubated at various temperatures to allow the organisms to grow, which they then form individual colonies, which we can see. These are counted next day, and that gives us our result.
We are trying to go further than just having a measure of water quality. We're now trying to take it further and see the original sources of that microbiological pollution. We go about it by reading pieces of DNA which are from bacteria which are specific to a host animal group. So we are looking for bacteria which are only found in, say, cows, and others which are only found in humans. So we would be able to use those results then by taking water from a bathing beach, analysing it for these specific DNA sequences, and if they mainly come from cows, then we would infer that there's probably agricultural sources of pollution. Or if they mainly came from humans, we would infer that there's probably mainly human pollution on the beach.
In England and Wales, with our 500 beaches, we take one sample every week in the 5 months, and we take that data and we turn that into information on how clean our bathing waters are. If we see there's a problem, we go straight back out and investigate, and within 7 days that information is available on our website and to the general public.